starting the video out here. No, oh my god. Alright, now check this shit out. I probably fucking know. Give me a second, I just gotta land. I just gotta land some shot. You know what I'm talking about? Holy chopper, make him do it back for. I already made that joke. But it sure does.
Stay here, I'm gonna flank them down.
Wow. Damn, are we the army? Fucking talking about flanking, doing Spetsnaz rolls.
All the river.
A yellow brick road. Wait, there's totally like something secret here. Nope, there's not. Hello. Unfortunate about your
I got you covered.
Hello. Oh, wait. This one. Point. What happens if I do this instead of point? Anybody else? Nobody else? From downtown, Wei Shin for 20. Or whatever the basketball number is. Alright, there's gotta be some secret stuff here. I don't know if this is like the one time you get to visit here or what, but like... There's gotta... Hang on. Oh, is that it? Is that my final statue? It is! I was about to Google that. Thank God. Now, first off, priorities. Let me run into this for 20 minutes straight, and then second off, there we go. Alright, now we can relax. Hello!
Let's see how you like it.
Goodbye. I guess you didn't get the memo. I thought I was gonna come up with something by the time I started that, but I didn't. Fuck you. Bro, you guys just never learn, do you? They just don't seem to understand. Parents just don't understand how I can just kill a man. Easy game.
We can't let this go on. We have to deal with 18K and with the police.
All right. We need a plan. Where's Tu Chin?
He's in seclusion.
Seclusion? He's in a hotel somewhere, riding the white tiger, that fat fuck.
Perhaps you are right, Brother Lee.
Boinked out of his...
Po gone.
You may be right. He may be zoinked out of his mind.
Finally, you're making some sense, Chuck. I am the strongest.
Chuck?
I am the most feared. I say I should be chairman.
Perhaps temporarily. We should go
Wait! We need to have a proper election. That is the way it has always been done. It's the Sun On Yi Code.
Ha! You, a woman, talking of
female.
Code. You should never been allowed to be Sun On Yi.
But I was, and my contribution to this organization have been significant.
With respect, I have to agree with Sister J. We need to restore stability and order, and that means clear thinking. We should follow our tradition.
Our tradition? You've only been on Sun On Yi for a short time. What do you know about our tradition?
Nevertheless, Sister Jiang and Brother Shen are correct.
Fine. You'll have the fucking
Fine.
election.
We'll have your stupid
I'm
election.
warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On Yi.
Everyone has a vote.
Me.
Our tradition
Yeah,
allows
What's the tradition? Ricky! It's out.
Alright. Good for him. Come on, level up, level up. Hey. What do we got here? What do we got? We got allows the ability to perform powerful weapon attacks with sprint. Ooh, there's actually a... Oh, and I got this one too. Unlocks a quick follow-up kick to the basic heavy thrust. Alright, cool. Sounds good. Am I gonna have nightmares now? Sure. Why wasn't Jackie in that cutscene?
And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
I mean, I know he's not actually important, but like... I mean, he's important. He's important to me. Am I right, ladies? Come on. I'm gonna need to... I haven't checked it in like 3 episodes, but I need to check to see if we're recording. Okay, we are. I was gonna scream if we weren't. I hate screaming. And you don't want to hear me scream. Fix the whole full screen thing. No, don't save that because you just take longer like a troll. In the houseboat for some reason. Something big is going down. You got it, Chief. But first off, let me get swagged out. I'm swagged out. Also, second off, let me get this final one. Hell yeah. You already know it's going down. Might as well take a car in case I don't find a thing. I don't really give a shit what car, because it's going to take me like 10 seconds to find it. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. 7,000? I guess I lied. Psych, I think I was down. Oh, fuck. This one? No. This guy's fast though. I'll take it. And there's a fucking taxi right there. And he's missing my exit. Oh wait, that is my exit. Nope. Okay. Fucking make up your mind. Everybody, literally make up your mind. I don't want to do drugs. Stop pressuring me. You're taking up like a third of the screen, so fuck off. Taxi? Taxi. Taxi? Give me. I've got one last jade statue to return. Is that no. I thought that lady was maybe an apartment thing. She was not. Put these fish balls in your mouth. Sensei, I've finally done it. I've collected all of the Dragon Balls.
I found one of your statues.
Shit, look at him go.
Rabbit.
Glowing like a
Welcome
motherfucker.
addition. This is the most powerful move of all.
Pay it.
Pay attention.
Oh, no deep talk? What the fuck? Alright, let's get ready for this most powerful move of them all. An aggressive counterattack that sends the enemy flying. Ooh, sick rhymes. You know it's good when it's got a fucking rhyme in it. Do it, bitch. Oh! Yeah.
Ashamed to call myself
Have fun with your broken ribs. Sick.
failure is truly breathtaking.
Regular counter. Oh, nope, I pressed the F button by accident. I say accident, but it's not. Oh. Fuck your hand. Fuck your face.
By the minute.
I'm gonna break your fucking leg too. Oh, nope, you got lucky.
It's been a pleasure to work with a student as skilled as you.
I'm an organized
I
crime.
have to say I find myself troubled.
Why, Sifu?
I have given you powerful tools.
Boy,
They
you
are
have.
not used well. Surely I bear part of the responsibility.
You're wrong. You're not responsible for me. Each of us eventually answers for our own actions.
And when your journey is over, will you be ready to answer for what you've done? To live with it?
Sifu,
Yes.
I love killing.
I will live with it. Because when I'm done, it won't just be me who has to answer.
Be careful, Wei. Those who seek justice are at the greatest risk of losing sight of it.
What?
That's a nice saying, Sifu. But if I let that stop me, there won't be any justice at all.
What? People that seek justice? What? Cops! Ancient Chinese saying. Cops are the worst cops. Seafood once said, ACAB.